The control panel within the application displays the INDIGO hierarchy, organizing services, devices, property groups, and properties within the master pane, and specific property items within the detail pane. These properties are designed to interact with the user in various ways, being either writable or read-only, and are categorized into 5 distinct types. Text vectors comprised of text type items. These are displayed as a list of text boxes for user input. Number vectors contain floating number type items, complete with minimum, maximum, and step values, alongside presentation formats. They are shown as pairs of values representing the target and current values, allowing for precise control and monitoring. Switch vectors made up of Boolean type items. Switch vectors come with associated behaviors: select one, select at least one, select any, and are represented as checkboxes for straightforward interaction. Light vectors include items of state type, idle, OK, busy, or alert, and are visualized as traffic lights, providing an intuitive status indicator. Blob vectors consisting of blob type items. These are presented as image previews with options to save or upload, facilitating the management of binary large objects. Reset and commit buttons appear when the value of a text or number item is modified, allowing users to either revert or apply changes. Set property button is always available for specific number properties, enabling users to set properties even without changing the target item. Blob download button is present for blob properties to facilitate the downloading of data, a feature that is disabled by default for inactive blob properties to optimize performance. Additional controls are available for certain properties, enriching the user experience. For example, equatorial coordinates feature a target query field for object selection from local or Simbad catalogs, and geographical coordinates offer an address query field for precise location selection. The raw device view mirrors the control panel in functionality, showcasing only the property groups and properties hierarchy for a simplified interaction model. The Serial Ports view is designed to streamline the management of devices equipped with a serial port or URL property. Within this view, users can select from available serial ports for each device or opt to enter a connection URL manually. To enhance user convenience, all modifications made in this view are automatically saved, ensuring that settings persist across sessions. This view integrates a dynamic list that showcases available serial ports, derived directly from a specific device property. However, it's important to note that this list is not updated in real time. Consequently, if a new serial over USB device is connected, users may find it necessary to manually refresh the list to accurately reflect the current state of available ports. This manual refresh feature is crucial for maintaining an up-to-date overview of connection options, especially in environments where devices are frequently added or removed. The configuration agent is designed for the purpose of saving and restoring the system's state. This includes a saved configuration comprising the array of loaded drivers, as well as the selection of devices in other agents, accompanied by their configuration profiles. Look at Managing Configurations chapter in the Help section to learn more. Each INDIGO server includes a virtual device that serves as an interface for server management. The Server Info group displays the contents of the info property. The log level group is designed to control the verbosity of logging for both the server itself and the drivers executed within the server. The driver group contains a list of all available drivers. The Preference view features checkboxes that allow customization of which device drivers or agents are displayed in the driver list. Look at Managing Server chapter in the Help section to learn more. INDIGO Control Panel version 5 on iPhone or iPad, aside from utilizing iOS controls in place of macOS controls, appears identical to the control panel on macOS. The main difference is that you can't download or upload any file, you have to leave them on the remote server. The macOS and iOS versions of INDIGO Control Panel share in-app purchase options, allowing you to access the same features on your desktop, notebook, iPad, or iPhone.